Do you suffer from constant bloating, constipation or diarrhea, general abdominal disorders, or recurring yeast infections? Well, you don't have to anymore, because CanXida is here to help. CanXida is a line of supplements formulated especially for you. Developed by Eric Backer, Doctor of Naturopathy, with clinical experience since 1995, CanXida has been specially formulated to help rid you of your gut-related conditions. CanXida Remove is a high-potency antifungal, antibacterial, and antiparasitic formulation for Candida yeast infections and aids in gut-related digestive issues. CanXida Restore is a unique cleansing formula containing 7 enzymes and 6 probiotic strains. And CanXida Rebuild is a comprehensive combination of 32 vitamins and minerals, nutrients, and herbal medicines to support your digestive system and immune defenses. Our products are made in the USA and follow strict FDA guidelines. Our formulations are based on the results of countless stool samples analyzed over more than 20 years and are certified by third-party testing labs. Plus, CanXida Remove, Restore, and Rebuild are sugar-free with no artificial sweeteners, colors, or flavors, and are made with 100% natural ingredients. And they are egg-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO, and vegan and vegetarian-friendly. CanXida is trusted by naturopaths, dietitians, chiropractors, and doctors worldwide. And our commitment to you doesn't stop there. With more than 2,400 videos on our YouTube channel, and growing, we will educate you on how to stay healthy. Check out our products and feel confident ordering with our 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Try CanXida products today and feel the difference.